Today we're looking at a Cobblestone by Toll Brothers here in Newbrook. It is a 3-bed, 2-bath home, just over 1,700 square feet. It is in a 40-foot lot and we're priced at just under $480. Let's take a look. It has a paved driveway, so it's upgraded from regular concrete. You have the 2-car garage, which is very nice. I personally live in an apartment right now, so having my own designated garage would be a really nice upgrade. Walking up, you have some nice landscaping, little landing area, little patio, also paved. I do, it's nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. Better than no landscaping. Walk in, nice little tray ceiling, open floor plan. Immediately to the left right here, you have
nice entrance. It's pretty big, huh? It's
nice.
Yeah.
Nice little drop zone.
Looks a lot better than going in an apartment, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It does?
It does. Oh. Nice little drop zone to put your shoes when you come home from work. And this is your entrance to that 2-car garage.
Do you take your shoes off when you come home from work?
Absolutely, and I put my little slippers.
Sweet.
Again, to the left, down this hallway, is your laundry room, your full bath, and then your first and second bedroom. It's carpet in the bedroom. It's not ideal, but yet again, coming from an apartment, anything's an upgrade. So, nice little closet. Shades are included, if you see that, so you don't have to buy shades, which is a nice little feature to save some money on. Right here's your HVAC closet, and you'll see it's brand spanking new, so you don't have to worry about that. And then coming out of that hallway, you'll notice a big open living area, kitchen, nice thick quartz countertop, gas burner. This is a nice upgrade because I have an electric burner, so my fiance would be very happy with this because she likes to cook a lot. Nice little breakfast bar, microwave oven combo. Nice size pantry, bigger than mine, so I like that. Put all your snacks in there. This would be your living room, so your TV would go right here. This is your hookups, wired. Put the couch right here. Floor to sliders, but we'll get to that in a second. Let's first look at the primary. Again, we have carpet, which I personally don't like because I have a little puppy dog, but I do have a guy for that. You can clear this out, match that LVP, the luxury vinyl plank out there, so it'll be nice and cohesive. Blinds again are included, which is nice. Take a look at this. You got the pocket sliding doors, so it saves space. And if your significant other wakes up before you in the morning, like mine does, she doesn't wake you up. Separate WC, double vanities, thick quartz countertop, huge walk-in shower, double niches, double transom windows to let some more light in. I really like this bathroom. Pretty decent sized closet. My fiance would be pretty happy with this size. Let's check out the outdoor living. Opening up these large floor to sliders, which I like. Paved lanai, just like the driveway, which is a nice little upgrade. Privacy wall, which is also a nice upgrade. But this is what I really like. Living in an apartment right now, I can't really grill. I can't cook my burgers. I can't cook my steaks. But now I can with these hookups. And I can even put a little TV if I want to. Now, I do have a puppy dog, like I said. Her name is Lady. She's a golden retriever. She'd really like this backyard. Also, another thing about this, which I like, you could tie into your neighbor's fence right here. So you'd only have to pay for 2 sides of fencing instead of 3. So it saves you money there. I like saving money. I hope you do too. If you were to go with this, it would be around $4,000 a month. How did I get to that number? I got to that number because I'd go FHA, 3.5% down, utilizing Toll Brothers 2-to-1 buy down rate, HOAs, $214 a month, insurance, $1,000 to $2,000 a year, depending on what coverage you get. You don't need flood insurance here. We're in next flood zone, St. Johns County. That's how I got that, $4,000 a month. So if you brought more money to the table as a down payment or have a better credit score than me, you'd be a lot lower than that. So $4,000 a month, that's how I got to that number, safe to say. You get a single family home. So if you're tired of renting like I am, this is what it costs. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this little tour of a cobblestone floor plan by Toll Brothers in Newbrook. If this is not a good fit for you, don't worry, check out my last video. I covered a couple other floor plans within the same community. If you're trying to make the same move like I did, I came from Jersey, maybe you're coming from Jersey too, or New York, who knows? Text me, call me, email me. I'd love to help you out. My information will be down below. I'll see you in the next video. My name is Ben Schneider. I'm out.